Let's take a look at using the Smart Grinder Pro, which lets you grind intelligently with dosing IQ technology. When grinding for espresso, it's really important that you use a single wall filter basket. That way, you'll get the maximum flavor potential of the coffee that you're making. Let's insert our 2-cup single wall filter basket into our portafilter and choose a 50-54mm cradle. Insert the portafilter into the cradle and set your grind size. Here, we'll select 14 to start, which you'll adjust depending on the flow rate over espresso. Next, set the number of shots. For a double cup basket, we'll set this to 2 shots. Now, start grinding by pressing the start button or momentarily pressing the portafilter in and releasing. You can use the pause function to settle and collapse the grinds in the filter basket before reinserting into the cradle and continuing to grind the remaining dose. While it can look like there's too much coffee in the portafilter, all you need to do is tamp and trim. Collapse the grinds into the portafilter before using the tamper and applying firm pressure with a slight twist to finish. Then use the razor to trim the perfect dose, leaving you with just the right level to make the perfect espresso coffee. Remember, you can adjust your grind size to fine-tune your extraction if required.